This tutorial will walk through how to use the Assist Course Transferability tool. Transferable courses from a California community college to a CSU or UC are available for PDF download. There are 4 steps to access the list. First, select an academic year. Either the 2017-18 or 2018-19 academic years are available. Then click Next. Start typing to select a community college, or select from the list. At any point, you can go back or select Next. Third, select a transferability list. There are 6 lists available, and for a definition of available lists, click here. Finally, hit Next and download your list. All transferability lists will be viewable by department. Institutions who chose not to organize their courses by department will have lists available by prefix. Assist is the official transfer and articulation system for California's public colleges and universities. Lists prior to 2017-18 are available on assist.org. Help is available on the FAQ page of the Assist Resource Center, or by contacting us at help@assist.org.